Thousands of people told us how they test the new Ford F-150. Now the four toughest are going to show us what it can do where it matters most. The real world. Coming soon to BuiltToughTest.com.